Next topic is 1.6 division of integers. We know that division is the inverse operation of multiplication. Let us see an example for whole numbers. Since 3 into 5 is equal to 15, 3 into 5 is equal to 15. So 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, or 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. Similarly, 4 into 3 is equal to 12 gives 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. We can say that each multiplication statement of whole numbers, there are two division statements. Can you write multiplication statement and its corresponding division statement for integers? Observe the following and complete it. Some blank space is there, you have to solve it. From the above we observe that minus 12 divided by 2 is equal to minus 6, minus 20 divided by 5 is equal to minus 4, minus 32 divided by 4 is equal to minus 8, minus 45 divided by 5 is equal to minus 9. Here you can also see 72 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9. 72 divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 8. Now try this. You have to find out two questions are there. So we observe that when we divide a negative number by a positive number, we divide them as whole numbers and then put a minus sign before the question, like here. 72 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 9. 72 divided by minus 9 is equal to minus 8. And 50 divided by minus 10 is equal to minus 5. And 50 divided by minus 5 is equal to minus 10. Can we say that minus 48 divided by 8 is equal to 48 divided by minus 8? Let us check. We know that minus 48 by 8 is equal to minus 6, and minus 8 divided by minus 8 is equal to minus 6. So both are same. Check this for other two also. So we can say that when we divide a positive integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and then put a minus sign before the question. A divided by minus b, that is minus a divided by b, or minus a divided by minus b is equal to a by b, where b should not be equal to 0. In general, for any two positive integers a and b, a is divided by minus b is equal to minus a is divided by b, where b should not be equal to 0. Again try this. One question is there, you have to solve. Lastly, we observe that minus 12 divided by minus 6 is equal to 2. Minus 20 divided by minus 4 is equal to 5. Minus 32 divided by minus 8 is equal to 4. Minus 45 divided by minus 9 is equal to 5. So we can say that when we divide a negative integer by a negative integer, we first divide them as whole numbers and then put a positive sign. In general, for any two positive integers a and b, minus a divided by minus b is equal to a divided by b or a by b, where b should not be equal to 0. Try this. One question is there, you have to solve. Our next point is 1.7 properties of division of integers. Observe the following table and complete it. What do you observe? We observe that integers are not closed under division. Statement is given, inference is given. minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to 2. Result is in an integer. Minus 4 divided by minus 8, result is not an integer. It is 1 by 2. To justify it by taking 5 more examples of your own. We know that division is not commutative for whole numbers. Let us check it for the integers also. You can see from the table that minus 8 divided by minus 4 is equal to not equal to minus 4 divided by minus 8. Is minus 9 divided by 3 the same as the 3 divided by minus 9? Yes, no, is minus 30 is divided by minus 6 the same as minus 6 divided by minus 30? No. Can we say that division is commutative for integers? No. You can verify it by taking 5 more pairs of integers. Like whole numbers, any integer divided by 0 is meaningless, and 0 divided by an integer other than 0 is equal to 0. That is for any integer a is divided by 0 is not defined, but 0 by a is equal to 0 for a is equal to not 0. When we divide a whole number by 1, it gives the same whole number. Let us check whether it is true for negative integers also. So minus 8 by 1 is equal to minus 8. Minus 11 divided by 1 is equal to minus 11. Minus 13 divided by 1 is equal to minus 13. This shows that negative integers divided by 1 gives the same integer, same negative integer. So any integer divided by 1 gives the same integer. In general, a is divided by 1 is equal to 1. A is divided by 1 is equal to a. What happens when we divide any integer by minus 1? Complete the following tables. Minus 8 divided by minus 1 is equal to 8. 11 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 11. Minus 13 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 13. What do you observe? We can say that if any integer is divided by minus 1, it does not give the same integer. Try these. Some questions are there, you have to find out, and you have to check also. Can we say minus 16 divided by 4 divided by minus 2 is the same as minus 16 divided by 4, it is in bracket, divided by minus 2? We know that both are equal and having the same value too. Likewise other questions also. Uh, uh, so both are the equal. Both are equal. Can you say that the division is associative for integer? No. Verify it by taking 5 more examples. Why? Because minus 16 divided by in bracket minus 4 divided by minus 2 is equal to 8, and earlier it was the 2, so both are not same. Example number 6 and example number 7 are there.